Hello, here we are again. This is my day 3, and now I am again going to play the brain test 2 with a mission fitness with Cindy. I'm on level 7th. I anyhow finished my 6 levels. It was not so easy, but it was actually okay, not bad. That's all I can say. But moving forward, become Cindy's personal trainer and help her establish a healthy lifestyle with fitness and diet. See, here I am during COVID season, stuffing my belly all the time and lying on the bed. So I got a job to be Cindy's personal trainer and help her to get fit, and I have to help her to make her lifestyle better. And also I have a the goal to keep her diet in a check. Right, yes, I can do this. Just like how politicians rule the nations or rule the states without knowing anything, without zero knowledge. I think I can be a better politician if I complete this one, because whatever I don't know how to do, I am teaching this to another person. Okay, that could make me a better trainer or politician. I don't know. Okay, here I'm having 50 points with a light bulb, and I'm on the 7th level out of 20. I've got few more light bulbs too. I was wondering what it was before, but now I know what it is. So when you don't know the puzzle, when you don't know how to solve the puzzle, or if you get stuck at any level, so using these points will really help you. So these points will help you to, they give the hint so that you can take Cindy forward. You can help her accomplish her mission. That is all what it is about. And also I can see a brain. Don't know whose brain it is. Maybe someone who created this game. Right? And that brain is wearing a sunglass, and it is saying VIP. He's a VIP. Thank you. Choose an adventure if you want. No, I already on an adventure. As I said, this adventure is, you cannot compare anything to this, because I'm helping Cindy with a french fries in my hand and my mobile in other hand, and now I'm going to help Cindy. Let's go. Right, she wants to start doing exercises but doesn't know how to. Where am I at? Am I at a gym? No, it is still a bedroom. She is just like me, so trying to do the exercises right where you are. If you are on the bed, you start exercising on the bed, or if you are on a chair, you start exercising right there, and right after 2.5 minutes you go asleep because you have worked out too much today. Right, I think I have finished this level before, so that I'm not be wasting any time. I'll get, because I know how this works. What all I have to do is just hand over a hidden mobile phone of Cindy to her, and I have to give her this what is this? I really don't know. I'm sure that is not a list of phone numbers, because nowadays when you have a mobile you don't need a contact list, but I think it's her ID, or yes, I know what it is. It is a address of the gym, or maybe she is trying to contact the gym where she is going to work out. Okay, I think I've finished level 7 now. Let's go to the gym, Cindy. Let's begin with the treadmill. Okay, I don't see anyone around. It is just her, and I don't know how this treadmill works because it doesn't have any connections to for the power supply. Okay, anyhow, let's see how this works. Okay, our lasers were out. Is that something you wear while you work out? What is that? This is the first time I'm seeing a socks has a lace. Okay. Anyway, I'm just trying to touch my screen. So, oh yes, yes, it's running. It's running. I need to tap. I tapped something. I really don't know what I tapped, but the treadmill is working. What next? Cindy, what next? Why are you jumping? What do I have to do? I really don't know. Guys, these are the times where I get I get stuck a lot of times. I can't say how many times just like Cindy, I start sweating because I don't know how to do it. All I have to do is just put Cindy on where she belongs to. For that, I'll sweat more than her while doing it. Come on, Cindy, you are doing great. Yes, yes, you are the girl. You are the girl. You are on level 8. Come on. We got 50 points. Why is not rising? The points are still 50. Okay, Cindy, do you need a rest? Do you need some rest? What? Run, girl, run, run, run. What next? What next, man? I'm tapping on Cindy. Oh, yes. Ah, oh, oh, God. This is Cindy's daughter. Guys, can you see? That is not Cindy. A treadmill, just a treadmill converted her into a model. A plus size to mid size model. But she looks good in both the ways. I don't mind if she's plus or zero sized. What next? Bring it on, Cindy. Yes, yes, you can do this. I have an ad which I don't like. Oh God. Sometimes I'm stuck on these advertisements. No, thank you. I don't want to spin a wheel. Yes, I'm on the next level. She must stretch her body with Pilates. Ma'am, what is this? Why do you want to do Pilates now? Why are you stretching? Is your legs and hands made out of elastic? It is stuck, I think. Yeah, I can drag both of her. This is too easy. Why? What is this? That's it. It was not at all so tough. It got finished within seconds. The level 9th is the quickest level I ever finished. Like, I feel like Mr. Fantastic. So your husband name is? No. I feel like Mr. not Mrs. Mr. Fantastic, Cindy. Cindy's saying it. Okay, I'll be moving on to the next level. I hate these ads. Level 10. Yes. She's wearing the matching dress right, and she's standing right in front of it. Both the colors match. So that is the output, and to the right of her, I think it's a gas stove, LPG. It is very costly nowadays. After COVID, the government gives no subsidy, and the rate is almost 800 rupees per cylinder. It is best to have a coal or a wooden stove. Let's see if we can do that when we go out. Now, level 10, the same points. She must get rid of unhealthy foods in the kitchen. Where is the kitchen? It's just a fridge and a trash can. Let's see what we have inside. It is not a fridge, guys. It doesn't look anything like a fridge. It's just a door with a standing table. That is what I can say. Do you see a light? Do you see a freezer? Do you see trays? The bottle stands? No, no. What is there? Who called it a fridge? It doesn't even have a switch. It doesn't even have a stabilizer on the top. It doesn't even have a cover on its head, which we use to put all the door keys or the nail cutters, you know, or some leftover corianders or curry leaves, something like that. It doesn't have anything. It is not supposed to be called a fridge. So now she must get rid of unhealthy foods in the kitchen. This is your kitchen, right? Understand? Only because it has a fridge and it has a stove that looks like a stove, and you're wearing the same top as the same color of the fridge, you call this a kitchen. And there is no food in the trash can. It's just few papers, I think. So you call this a kitchen, right? Right, right. I think chocolate is a unhealthy food. Yes, I got points. I think ice cream is an unhealthy food. Cake too. Is this a pizza or it looks like a watermelon? Let's see. That's wrong. Okay, she again picked those things which I put in the trash can, and she has again put that back on the fridge. Now again I have to take it to the trash. Now Cindy, I know you are so hungry and you have the cravings, but you cannot, pick those things and put it back in the fridge. You can't eat it because you are on a diet. Just within 5 seconds you have, turned your body so fit. This is a soda can, I think. I think I have finished. No, we still have that burger. Burger is unhealthy. One more. What is that? What else? These are fruits. These are vegetables. These are carrot and I don't know what that is. The only thing left is the milk. Is this the milk or water? That is also wrong. Have to do it again. What else could be unhealthy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carrots? No. These are strawberries. Huh? How can? Oh, ma'am. Hello. How you doing? Cheater. Anyway, level 10. We should take out the trash before she has second thoughts. Second thoughts. She must not eat from the dustbin. What is this? Tinder for musicians. I think I'm going to edit all these things. I mean the ads. I don't want people to watch such things. I'll hide the ad because it is irrelevant. Interrupted me. Yes. Ad hidden. Thank you very much. Now the level 11. The same points 50. Some outdoor exercises will be great. Yes, why not? Okay, I'll give you the dumbbells. Come on, Cindy. Come on, lift it up. Go, lift it up. Yes. Okay, you can drop it. I can't make her drop. Her face has turned red. You see, not red, pink. You can see tomatoes behind her and a tree and another bush. Tomatoes grows in a bush. She is holding it for too long. Okay, outside exercises. I'm tapping on her. Nothing is happening. Okay, I'm trying to move the dumbbells, even that is not working. Up and down, side to side. No. What now? She is sweating, but the sweat is not dropping on the ground. Cindy, did you put on weight again? You look like you have cheated. What now? What now? What now? Should I wait? No, nothing is working. I'm tapping everywhere on the screen. Should I take a hint? I have to spend $20 for that. What else? What next? I'm tapping on that wall, that circular thing. I don't know. It looks like a moon, that has hit by an asteroid. In fact, first I thought it was a moon. I'm tapping on the bush. Nothing is coming out. Does she have to walk? No. Even she is not moving at all. She is not even blinking and not even working her hands out. I'm even tapping on the trees. No, it's not working. I think I'm stuck. I'll play it again. Let me try. Is one. I'll just give her the first dumbbell. I don't want to handle the two dumbbells at once. Maybe she will feel so heavy. What next? Can I feed her tomatoes? It's not possible. I can keep the dumbbell on that object, like on the bush, on the tree. See, it's not dropping off the tree. It has to drop like that. When I keep it here, it has to slide. Oh, carry it on your head, Cindy. No. Where am I supposed to? She held both of that. Oh God, I'm so stuck in here. What next? What next? So only thing I can do now is just wait for Cindy to drop her dumbbells down. I can wait, Cindy. It's up to you when you have to drop both of those dumbbells. For God's sake, please do it soon. Even I can't wait. Why are you holding this? Some outdoor exercises will be great. That is the statement that has been given. Sure. I don't want to take a hint. I want to do it all by myself. Or guys who are watching this, so I think I'll stop it right here because I am stuck. I don't know how can I take Cindy to do the exercises, the outdoor exercises. So if you can lead me, that would be great and I'll appreciate it. So please help me what I can do, what should I do, by putting your opinions in the comment section. That will be really helpful. So I think I'm gonna stop my game at level 7 and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me for until level 11. Thank you so much, guys. See you again. Bye bye.